Presidential Election Petition Court, PEPC, finally delivered its long-awaited judgments on petitions.
Alright, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Once again, we are here to bring you current and factual thing as it is happening. There is a message circulating all over the internet, social media, YouTube and everywhere. Of course, Symphony carries the message and every other channel platform. And the message goes thus: after the marathon judgment, the judgment that lasted about 12 to 13 hours, that trashed almost all the petitions of PDP candidate, presidential candidate, and Labour Party presidential candidate P2B and Atiku. And both candidates have come out to say, no, we can't take this. And P2B, of course, has instructed his lawyers to proceed to the Supreme Court. Currently, they are heading to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court, of course, is the apex court in Nigeria. That is where they will get the final judgment. That the judgment of appeal court is not yet satisfactory to them. And of course, many Nigerians are yet satisfied about the judgment given. So now they want to proceed to the Supreme Court, and then hoping that Supreme Court would give a proper hearing and the proper judgment to what. Of course, what happened during the judgment. The judges said all the document, everything, all the evidence provided, that none existed. Of course, it was obvious and crystal clear. In fact, audible to the deaf and visible to the blind. So kindly watch this video and hear for yourself, and don't forget to like, comment and share, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Presidential Election Petition Court, PEPC, finally delivered its long-awaited judgments on petitions challenging the outcome of the presidential election held on 25th of February 2023. This judgment was delivered within the statutory time frame under the extant status. We acknowledge the court's contributions to due process and seeming attempt to strengthen our democracy. As petitioners in this case, we respect the views and ruling of the court, but we disagree with the court's reasoning and conclusions in the judgment it delivered. It is my intention as the presidential candidate and intention of Labour Party to challenge this judgment by way of appeal immediately as allowed by the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. The PEPC has rendered its judgment, but that esteemed body is not the final arbiter. The responsibility now falls on the Supreme Court. I do know that the judgment is not conterminous with justice. I implore Nigerians to remain focused, steadfast, and peaceful, and to abide by the rule of law and understand this matter has not reached its logical conclusion. Our legal team has already received our firm instruction to file an appeal against the decision. I shall not relent in quest for justice, not necessarily for myself, but for our teeming supporters all over Nigeria, whose mandate to us at the post was regrettably truncated by INEC. The strength and value of our democracy reside on solid national institutions and our confidence in them. Electoral litigations will almost be unnecessary and non-existent if the Independent National Electoral Commission discharges its statutory functions creditably, transparently, and with tenable fairness. When that body fails, as it did recently, those subverting the will of Nigerian voters, the recourse to judiciary becomes imperative, as is now the case. I thank every Nigerian who has supported our cause and campaign for a new Nigeria, characterized by fairness, equity, justice, rule of law, peace, prosperity, inclusiveness, sustainable growth and development. A new Nigeria is possible and achievable. I especially thank our legal team, the Labour Party and the Obedient family, and all those who showed up daily during our court trials. God bless you all, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.